So most games and the objects inside of those games are using matrices. Why? Because matrices have basis vectors inside of them. Let's have an example here of this Spartan. His basis vectors, his gun is pointing towards the z-axis. That's the basis vector for forward position. His right vector is red x-axis, and his up vector is y, green axis. So if you want to rotate this character to look the other way or something similar like scale him, we use scale or a rotation matrix. And I will actually show you how you can rotate this character to look at some position without having to use angles or trigonometric functions. So right here I want my object to face another object without having to use trigonometric functions. Obviously, this function was inspired by quaternion LookRotation function. So what I did here, first I obviously create the basis vector of how would my object look like when it faces another object. Next thing is a matrix, where each column, because Unity is a column major, is a basis vector for each axis. So the first column is x-axis, second column is y-axis, and third column is z-axis. And then I convert it to row major, because that's what I learned from the book 3D Math Primer for Graphics and Game Development. And basically that function that converts, that creates quaternion from the rotation matrix is from that book.